The industrial buying engine gives buyers the ability to quote projects and buy products, custom parts, materials, and more. Meet Jen Murphy. She's a procurement manager at Acme Co., who uses thomasnet.com to source from more than 500,000 suppliers across 70,000 categories to get the job done. Jen's challenges are quickly finding qualified suppliers who can meet Acme Co.'s lead time and budget. Today, Jen is looking to get a quote for a large, multi-part CNC machining project, and her first stop is thomasnet.com. She may need multiple suppliers to meet the various requirements. Jen performs a CNC machining search on thomasnet.com that returns thousands of qualified suppliers. She starts by selecting ABR Machining as a potential supplier. Jen then has the ability to select up to 4 additional suppliers for quotes. She will automatically receive an instant quote for this project, solving her need to quickly find and quote with multiple suppliers, as well as receive a Buy Now option. She selects her suppliers and clicks Quote Your Project. Using the industrial buying engine, Jen builds out a detailed proposal for the suppliers to quote. Once Jen sets up the project, she receives a quote from the instant quoting engine for this CNC machine project. Jen begins to receive quotes from the selected suppliers and is notified via email when a new quote is available. Jen selects a quote from ABR Machining that meets her timing and budget. At checkout, Jen can choose from a variety of payment options, including an approved line of credit. Jen has now completed her objective of finding a supplier for these CNC machined parts and can now use her same line of credit to initiate a new project.